In this video, I am going to show how to use the negative index in Python. For that, let us create a list. L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the list has 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want to access the elements of the list using negative index. So print double quotes the last element of the list is comma capital L minus 1. Okay, so let us see by executing the code. We can see the last element of the list is 4. So minus 1 will help in accessing the last element of the list. So let us see what will happen if I minus 2, and since minus 1 corresponds to the last element, then minus 2 will correspond to the second last element of the list. So I can write here second last, and then I will execute the code. So the second last element of the list is 3. So we can see the positive index starts from the left hand side while the negative index starts from the right hand side. Okay.